So here we have a 1969 Chavelle. We took this baby apart. It's nice. Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today, we're gonna be, I don't know what we're doing. I haven't planned the video at all. Look at this curve. I'm gonna go to showcase that later right now. We're gonna be working on that. And also sorry for not uploading for a couple of days. I think it was like 5 or 4, I don't know. You guys can look. Took a little break. And yeah, I'm gonna be coming back to the vlogs, to the gaming videos, I don't know, whatever you guys want. And that, yeah, I'm gonna, do a little clip thing, showcasing the car. It's a really nice car. Okay, let's get into this. You guys didn't see nothing. Act like you didn't see nothing. Okay. So that's the car. Try to fix it up. Down.
Hey.
My hands hurt already.
I think you have one of the Death Punk's helmets over here.
That's an Iron Man.
Right there.
You know what's right?
And there's Aiden, pretending he's working.
Yeah, I'm so bored. Like, take off a simple screw.
Working on a 1969 Chavelle. And these are his cousins, Joshua and Junior, 2 of them. One is missing. One is MIA somewhere.
I think he left.
He's probably eating some tacos inside.
He's hibernating.
It's probably gonna fall when I take off the next one, isn't it?
Not necessarily fall, but you should hold it so you could just... It will fall. You're gonna have to get an extension. Or you could go like that.
Oh, you're at an iron.
I just smacked it.
Right now, it doesn't matter. It's just a big hunk of metal. When we're done with it,
Then it'll matter.
then it'll matter. Safety first.
On my head.
I don't know, Joshua's gonna try to make sure that you're safe. Alright, so he's safe to work on the car now.
Well, now you took it on my hat. Now you're cool. Am I tightening it? I don't know.
Well, I don't know, I told you what
Okay, there you go.
you're tightening it.
Looks like I'm loosening it. That's tight. Now I'm loosening it. I don't know.
That's loosening. put the screws back where you found them.
Destruction, domination.
And that is the very first piece that he has tackled by himself.
Seconds later of him doing it.
We will get fishing one day.
Hey, look, there's a little dice in there. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's like right there. It's a red dice.
Hey, look, it's a red dice.
Hey, turn up.
Those are my dices.
Boom, the boys.
Okay.
All right. Our next task is going to be the front end. We're going to go ahead and remove the front end, but we're going to have to remove this radiator first. So the radiator is going to be removed.
One is missing,
Yeah,
by the way.
I kind of noticed that.
Oh, yeah. You like Superman?
Yeah.
Not Batman? Oh, there it is, red die.
Guess we're going to need all those sockets.
Well, I could do those, but the other ones were complicated.
Which ones are complicated?
The other ones that we did. Like, you had to maneuver your way.
This is just the beginning. Hey, baby. I'm gonna let you do the front end by yourself.
Well, okay then.
The taking apart part is easy. The putting it back
Yeah,
together
it's gonna be hard.
is the hard part.
Because you're gonna, like, what if you mess
Hold
up?
this real quick.
This whole thing
Oh my God.
was good.
Hmm?
Oh my god.
I
I don't want to do this. So here, we just need to take off this part and the other side, and I think we'll be done for today. Yeah, we took off a lot. We still need this and this, but we still need the whole thing. That's for other videos. But for this time, we're just gonna, well, to finish this day off, we're just gonna take this off and that off. Yeah, I'll be right to you when we've taken them off. Well, I think we'll just finish it off right there. The car, it's fine like that. We did enough work. I don't think it's easy. It was pretty hard. Just the engine. Well, yeah, I think we're done. I'm just gonna do the outro because you know my phone's running out of battery. Do the outro later. Oh, that was so hard to take all those parts off. So I'm gonna do a picture on the before math and aftermath. So, boom, aftermath. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please leave us a like and subscribe. And yeah, we lied to you. We, didn't finish the other part of the car. And it's actually, I forgot to do my outro, and I'm doing it actually now. Doing it so long later. That makes sense? I don't know. I already said it. So, before this video ends, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Alright, Twitter name up here, Snapchat name up here, and Instagram name down here. Names will also be in the description. You guys go check it out up there. Yeah. Peace.